Hello friends and welcome to this video as we look at functions in Excel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can use the AVERAGEIFS function. My name is Mercy Consolata Kello. Let's get started. So the AVERAGEIFS function allows you to calculate the arithmetic mean of certain values based on two or more criteria or conditions. So with this data, assuming we want to calculate the average fare of all females who are under the age of 49 years old, what you're going to do is go to the cell where you want your value located, equal sign, the function, and the first range of values you're passing in is the values you want to calculate average for. Next, you pass in a range of criteria. We're interested in the sex, and then the criteria itself. We're interested in females. After that, you can pass in the second criteria range. So we're interested in the age, and we're looking at all those under the age of 49. Close the brackets and press enter. So for the second and last example in this video, let's calculate the fare of all the males who are greater than 49 years and occupy the embarked queue. So equals the AVERAGEIFS function, pass in fare, pass in the sex, select the criteria, male. Next, we pass in the age and the criteria. Lastly, we pass in embarked. We're interested in embarked queue. Close the brackets, press enter. So that is it. With AVERAGEIFS, you can pass in as many criteria as 127. So that has been it for this video. If you have enjoyed the content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos once they're released. Thank you and happy learning.